You are a wholesale distributor running your business with QuickBooks Online, but when it comes to taking sales order, you hit a wall. Why? Well, QuickBooks isn't exactly built for that hassle of wholesale sales. But do not worry, I got the fix and it's going to change the way you manage your sales orders forever. Hey everyone, I'm Frank, the Wholesale Pro, and welcome back to Orders in Seconds. If you are a wholesale distributor or selling CPG brands, this channel is where we cut through the tech clutter and help you move product faster, smarter, and with fewer headaches. Let's answer the big question. Can QuickBooks Online do sales orders? Short answer, kind of. Long answer, not really the way the wholesalers need it. QuickBooks is great for accounting, but it wasn't built for handling all the little complexities of wholesale sales. Let me show you real quick how sales order can be handled in QuickBooks. It is basically creating an estimate and later converting it into an invoice. Here's a quick look. To create an order or an estimate, as it's called in QuickBooks Online, we just come right here to where it says estimate. So once you select the document, you will have to choose the customer that you would like to place the estimate to. So in this case, once you have selected the customers, start looking for the items, select the items, and then go to the next one. Put the quantity that you need. Also, you can look for the name of the item, right? You can just type in a few words and you will be able to look for that item. Once you have that item and everything it's ready, you can go ahead and save it. And usually this is the transaction that you printed and give it to the warehouse pickers. Once they're done, you come right here down here to convert this transaction into a final invoice, and then it's ready to go. So if you notice, it's really simple to create an order, but it's limited in many things related to sales. Here's the problem. QuickBooks doesn't give you features that actually help you sell. There's no upselling or cross-selling prompts. It struggles with complex pricing and can't handle multiple units of measures without extra work. So here's my question for you. What's the biggest headache when taking wholesale orders? Pricing? Tracking something else? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. That's where OIS Pro comes in. It is easy to use B2B orders management software built for wholesale distributors. You get everything QuickBooks is missing: upselling and cross-selling features, seasonal pricing with the start and end dates, and flexible unit of measures, cases, pallets, you name it. The best part, if you already use QuickBooks Online, OIS Pro integrates like a charm. And if you don't, we are a QuickBooks solution provider. We'll get you set up with the special pricing. Click the link in the description, schedule a demo, and learn more. Placing an order in OIS Pro is really easy as 1, 2, 3. See a little demo here? Okay, we're gonna go ahead and create a new customer sales order with OIS Pro. So first of all, we're gonna open the app. Once you open the app, you will see right here where it says customers. And in just 3 simple steps, we're gonna create an order. So once the customer has been selected, we go ahead and start selecting the transactions, in this case the order, and we're gonna display all the products that we have in the system. the name of the product, the price, pricing. Something that is really important is the inventory visibility. So you're gonna have inventory visibility right there. Another great feature that it is important to this is what we call the upselling and cross-selling. If you notice right here, here are the recommended products. Once you're finished with this, we're gonna go ahead and go to the checkout, double check that that's the customer that you would like to place the order to. You can capture customer signature right there. And once you're done, just click on submit and the final transaction is gonna be created and submitted to the OIS central system. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's gonna happen in the central system. So now the order that we just created is this one right here that it just arrived to the central system. So something important, once the orders arrive to the central system, we can do many things right here. Automatically approve that transaction to synchronize to your accounting system like QuickBooks or any other ERP system, or you can grab that order, grab different transactions and assign all those transactions to the warehouse personnel for picking and fulfillment. Another thing is, if you don't have sales rep in the field, you only have internal sales rep team, you're gonna be able to also create transactions directly from the OIS central system, and again, approve those transactions to synchronize to your system, or grab all those transactions and assign it to the warehouse personnel. If you are serious about leveling up your wholesale game, schedule a free demo of OIS Pro today. I will personally walk you through every feature and show you exactly how it works with QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you can never miss a tip that could make your wholesale business run smoother. I'm Frank, the Wholesale Pro. See you in the next one.